The embattled district attorney in Fremont County is pushing back against allegations that she is failing to do her job. After months of not responding to 13 investigates, District Attorney Linda Stanley is finally sharing her side of the story about a slew of violent criminal cases dismissed by her office. Investigative reporter Sean Rice is live outside the Fremont County Courthouse with this major update from the top prosecutor in the 11th Judicial District. Sean.
Yeah, Bart and Heather, elected leaders here in Fremont County have been sounding the alarm for months, accusing elected District Attorney Linda Stanley of dropping the ball on prosecuting violent crimes. But today, District Attorney Linda Stanley tells me those allegations are baseless. For the very first time in months, our cameras captured District Attorney Linda Stanley walking out of a Fremont County courtroom. Would you be willing to speak with us this morning? Would you have 5 to 10 minutes for us to ask you a couple questions? She invited us into her office today to discuss mounting criticism from elected officials in recent months. We asked her how she was doing as her office remains under investigations by state regulators.
Oh, rough, obviously. I don't like to bring any DA business out in the public because that's a risky thing to do.
In April, a Fremont County judge sanctioned Stanley's office for failing to turn over evidence to defense attorneys in a timely manner. Attorneys and law enforcement claim that behavior led to unfair prosecution and criminal cases getting dismissed. 13 investigates identified more than 24 cases where public defenders allege Stanley's office failed to turn over evidence by the mandatory court deadline.
I absolutely dispute that. And the issue that we had discussed previously was what Rule 16 requires compared to what is happening in some of the courtrooms in this district. It requires conferring with the other party, and it says no motions shall be filed. Yet motions are filed if the public defender thinks that there was possibly something missing, and there is no conferral.
Despite judges ruling that her prosecutors violated Colorado law, the elected DA says the impacts simply aren't there.
There has to be some prejudice to the defendant. In other words, hey, we had to totally change our strategy around what we were going to do on our prelim or our trial, and now this document came up, we have to change it all, right? So it has to be something that affects their ability to defend their client.
Stanley's office remains under investigation by the Office of Attorney Regulation Council. That's at the state level. Today, Stanley told me it's unclear how long that investigation will take to complete, but she's looking forward to its conclusion. Reporting live in Fremont County, Sean Rice, 13 Investigates.